Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 320D M Sport Saloon presented in mineral grey. The vehicle features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit alongside a fresh set of the 19-inch 403M alloy wheels that we've had professionally refurbished in gloss black. At the front you can see the car comes with the LED headlamps, satin front splitter and gloss black kidney grills. Down the side, not only can you see how clean and tidy this example is, we've also gone for the gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls on this vehicle. Inside we've got a full black Dakota leather, which on this particular 320D comes with the electric lumbar adjustment. It does come with the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and we shall of course show you more of the interior details as we make our way around. For the meantime, there you can see all of the interior for this 320D is very clean and tidy. Rear passengers can find a 3-seat Isofix rear bench, which once again is not only clean and tidy but is of course very spacious and comfortable. It does include a central folding armrest and of course that darkened M Sport headlining. Round towards the back of the vehicle, showing you off once again those 19-inch alloy wheels. All the way around we've got the mixed run flat tyres on the 3 Series here. Gloss black rear boot spoiler and then a satin rear diffuser on this 320D, and if you've not yet seen the F33 3 Series boot space, you'd be very pleasantly surprised. It's a very big space. Also does come with storage to the left and right hand sides. Around onto the driver's side, once again everything is clean and tidy. Really nice amount of metallic flake goes into the mineral grey to make up that wonderful popular colour, as you can see there for yourself under the showroom lights. And we'll now go through, take a seat inside the car, and I'll quickly run yourself through some of the interior features in a bit more detail, beginning with its BMW business navigation and media screen. Starting the car up, of course, as you can see, currently open is the multimedia listing, so that does include USB, AUX and Bluetooth inputs. Alongside that you do of course get DAB, satellite navigation. Point I'm always very keen to make is just how easy this system is to use on any of the BMWs that are equipped with it. Really quick, really easy to use, and anybody that's used to any other system can easily jump into this car and use it very simply. Bluetooth telephone as well. Down here you'll see the dual climate controls. The car itself's covered just over 41,000 miles, as you can see there, and situated very nicely on our multifunction M Sport steering wheel. Over here is the cruise speed limiter, then we've got voice and volume controls, and then of course the pedals for that magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, which is certainly going to make all the difference to your driving experience of anything with the BMWs that do have it. Over onto the service requirements now. Everything highlighted in green. The next service is not due for 17,000 miles time. There is 3 recorded services from BMW on this car, as you can see there. The most recent was carried out at 40,401, and that was for a engine oil and microfilter change. So there is a look around and a walk around video for this 320D M Sport Saloon in mineral grey. I do hope you've enjoyed it, and from us all here at Your Next Car, we do of course hope to see yourselves very soon. In the meantime, if you do want to pick up some more information on the car, in the description you'll find some links for our website. From there you can find all prices and funding options. Thank you all very much. Take care. Bye bye.